Is AirDev worth it? Watch this honest review before you decide. We're diving deep into this no-code platform. Check the description for links. AirDev empowers businesses, startups, and anyone needing custom web apps without coding. Its secret weapon? Canvas. This pre-built design framework drastically speeds up development. Perfect for entrepreneurs needing a fast launch and a scalable, robust app without months of coding. AirDev prioritizes simplicity and customization. Canvas offers pre-designed components you can tailor to your exact needs. Build user dashboards, marketplaces, or internal tools. Bypass coding complexity without sacrificing quality or flexibility. Built on Bubble, AirDev leverages a stable no-code ecosystem with a structured approach. This means intuitive design and faster professional results. AirDev excels with its guided support. Step-by-step tutorials and templates ensure your app works as intended. Need a hands-off approach? Hire their expert team for a turnkey solution. While AirDev is powerful, expect a learning curve, especially for Bubble newcomers. Once mastered, its speed and flexibility impress. This platform is perfect for those prioritizing efficiency, customization, and professional results without coding experience. If that's you, AirDev is worth checking out. Learn more and get started with the links below.